Oh, hi. I'm David Miller, your local ITS. I'm here today to talk to you about our new Chromebook cards that we just received. Quite fancy, quite spectacular. Let's get a look at them. First thing you're going to notice is how to open them. It's a lot different than our other cards. What you want to do, grab the lever, pull straight up, slide to your right. That will release the latch, and now you're in. Once you're inside, you'll notice there's 25 Chromebooks in here. What's nice about these cards, each shelf slides out for easy access. You'll also notice that the charging port for each Chromebook, there are two. One on one side, one on the other. So it really doesn't matter which way you put it in. The label for each Chromebook is on the back. Next thing you'll notice is that each Chromebook is between two gray standing posts. So you want to make sure when you put them back in that when you line up the number that you put them in between a gray shelf, okay? Not on the ends, but each one should be in between an actual gray shelf. Let's slide this back into place. To close, push gently, slide it down, and then back. Then it's closed. Last thing I want to show you though is on the side where it charges. You'll notice here that it looks like just one shelf is charging. However, these are smart carts, and so it'll charge one half of the cart for 30 minutes and then switch to the other half for another 30 minutes. So be rest assured that both sides of your cart and the entire Chromebooks are actually charging. Thanks for joining us and enjoy the new Chromebooks.